Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, in the course. Now, as you can see, I am on the same screen. Here in my sheet, I have added some more cameras. As you can see, like vlogging cameras with flip screen, 10 best GoPro alternatives. So these keywords I found, like 5 to 6 keywords using the same method like the last video. And I am on the same page here. Now in this video, like most of the keywords that I found were like commercial keywords, like 10 best cameras to buy or 10 best action cameras and stuff like that. Now how we find informational keywords, whether we have like an e-commerce website, a company website, or a blog website, or whatever, we need to find some informational keywords so we can bring more and more traffic to our website, can actually spread awareness about our brand or our website. So for informational keywords or questions, we can use this same tool. Whenever you add your main keywords here, you can come to this option, which is questions. If you see the options at the left side, you will see there is an option questions. You need to just click that. It will only give you all the questions related to your keyword, whatever keyword you have. So here, for example, you see I have 2,466 keywords and all of them are questions. What is the best camera to buy for beginner photographer? Now here what I can do, I can just simply once again go to the keyword difficulty from 1 to 10, maximum 10. So it will give me the exact list that I want actually. So it is just 7 keywords, you can see. And 7 keywords is like where is the best place to sell used cameras? What camera lenses should a beginner have? What are the best trail cameras? Where is the best place to put security camera? Now we have to use the same method, like go to the SERP option and check the 10 websites, the top 10 websites, what traffic they have, what is their domain authority and stuff like that. Okay, so here we see like the top website is just 15 domain rating, and you can see the backlinking opportunities are also there. The traffic is very huge, I must say. You see this website is getting 63,000, a very massive traffic, man. So we can go for this keyword actually for this question, so this is a good thing. Now the second place we can actually get the questions is this one. This website, you can see answerthepublic.com, which will give you like questions for any specific camera, for any specific keyword. Like for example, if I get this best cameras is my keyword and I add it here and I click search, it will give me all of the questions related to this keyword. It will take some time. Okay, now you see it has given me the data for all the questions like how, what, where, will, who, can, and stuff like that. And this also takes the data from Google, from other search engines, and this is not 100% accurate, but still, as I told you, you can use this data to actually to use in your website. Now we will click this questions. Okay, and you can click this data, so it will give you the data directly. Otherwise it is a visual data, a chart like data. But if you click the data option, you will see in plain text. So it is giving you means is a question, is best camera phone, what are best cameras to buy, and stuff like that. Can, for questions for can, how, questions for how, what, when, where, and it will give you like questions for any type of keyword. This is best cameras. If we just write cameras, it will give us all the questions for cameras only, which will be more. But right now it has given us 39 questions, which is more than enough. For other keywords, I can use the same thing. Now what you want to do is just copy that question and search in Google or search using this tool to find other relevant data like keyword difficulty and the traffic that other websites is receiving. And then finally, when you select that, you can add it to your list. So this is the way we find informational keywords or questions for our website to write content about. Now, the last thing in this video, I can show you about this keyword planner tool, which is a Google tool, free tool for keyword research. You just write in Google keyword planner and you will come to this website. Then just you need to click sign in. You must have a Google Ads account. You don't need to spend money, but create a Google Ads account, and then you will access this tool, which is keyword planner. What you need to do here is just click the discover new keywords and add the same keyword here. Like for example, I will write budget cameras, okay? Budget camera or cameras, and click results. What you can do here is you can change the location. Right now it is Pakistan. I will change it to the US, United States, okay? And then click save, and now get the result. Now when I click get the result, once again this tool is also only for advertisers, but we as an SEO get ideas from this tool as well. This gives us also information about CPC rate for different keywords, like how much money people are going to spend on that keyword, the advertiser is actually. So we know the worth of the keyword, like how much worth a keyword has. Right now when I search for budget camera, this has given me 575 keywords ideas available. And if I scroll down, I can see other keyword ideas. Like I just searched for budget camera, it is giving me best budget camera, best cheap camera, best budget DSLR, best budget mirrorless camera. So some keywords we get from here are not available in other tool like the Ahrab or the Ask the Public, So this is giving us like different ideas. And also the competition, high competition, you should go for low competition here as well. And whatever keyword you like here, just copy that keyword and put that also to double check on ahrab.com, okay? And you can see here the bid for that keyword, like the money for that keyword. Right now it is in PKR because it has by default selected my currency, but it should be in US dollar when you search yourself. So the lowest the advertisers are paying for this keyword, and the highest the advertisers are paying for that keyword. So this way you can also know the value of that keyword in money. So these are the simplest ways, guys, to find informational keywords for your articles. Now in the next keyword research video, I will tell you how you can get keywords from your competitors' websites very easily.